Hi everyone, my name is Vazquez and I'm a creative technologist at Wafer Next. Today I will be presenting Home Studio, a mixed reality staging tool for interior design. Virtual design services provide customers designs of their spaces staged with manually curated products, using photorealistic renders as a means to help them imagine how spaces will look once they are furnished. In fact, real estate listings close 87% faster when they are staged, making virtual staging a powerful tool for realtors, homeowners, and designers alike. Unfortunately, the manual effort and expertise required to produce photorealistic visualizations translates into increased turnaround times that range in the order of days to weeks for most professional services in the market. Needless to say, the 3D skills necessary to achieve quality results is a non-starter for non-expert parties such as realtors, homeowners, and interior designers to service their own visualization needs without outsourcing the work. Today, advances in 3D capture technology are making scans of real estate feasible for the average consumer. The adoption of 3D virtual scans has accelerated due to the COVID-19 pandemic as a means to enable virtual tours and adhere to social distancing guidelines. Companies have even developed solutions that let customers scan their homes in a matter of minutes. This is why we created Home Studio, a DIY staging tool that lets anyone stage any publicly available Matterport scan and create photorealistic renders directly from the browser. With a catalog of thousands of products and a simple interface, our goal is to decrease the 3D skill barrier required to create photorealistic visualizations of home goods in real estate, allowing non-experts to bring their designs to life in a matter of minutes. Home Studio is directly embedded into the Matterport viewer on the browser via Matterport's Bundle SDK. This means that any scan that is publicly available instantly becomes actionable. For example, customers might go to a real estate listing site, browse properties with 3D walkthroughs, and immediately start staging. Even if users don't have dedicated scanning hardware, they can use the Capture app on their mobile device to quickly capture an actionable space compatible with Home Studio. Home Studio allows users to browse products by category or search for specific products to drag and drop into the space. Clicking on any model within the scene lets the user change its location or orientation, letting the user design a room product by product. Users are also able to perform standard virtual tour interactions, like moving through the space, changing to a floor plan view, and take accurate measurements in the scene. Once a user has finished their design, they can queue a photorealistic render. The set of products and their positions, a deconstruction of the scene into primary planes, and an HDRI panorama are sent to a remote rendering service running an instance of 3ds Max. This service reconstructs a simplified scene, swapping the real-time models for high-resolution analogs and employing image-based lighting with the HDRI to render the scene. Although we haven't formally evaluated Home Studio, we are in the process of letting designers create scenes with the tool to understand how it can help streamline their home design projects. These renders were created by non-expert users experimenting with Home Studio on publicly available listings on Redfin. Home Studio offers an approachable way for anybody to start creating designs of their own at room scale. This includes homeowners who might want to plan big home purchases, real estate agents trying to one-up their listings, or designers who want a faster way to create proposals to prospective customers. Given the context of the pandemic and increasing adoption of virtual real estate tours, Home Studio's integration with any Matterport scan fuels its ubiquity, and the companion Capture app lowers the entry barrier for everyday consumers to create photorealistic renders. By taking advantages of the viewer built-in features, users can even use their immersive headset of choice to jump inside their creation, which can be brought to life in a matter of minutes as opposed to existing services in the market that take days or even weeks. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy the rest of Kai.